Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're flipping a 2016 Nissan Versa. I paid a little bit over everything right now, $3,000, alright? All the numbers are on the screen. And this was a Copart car, right? So it was a rear end damaged car. 92,000 miles. Let me go ahead and show you the interior before I show you the damage, all right? This is the SV model, second to the SR. SR is the highest model. And again, a little bit of a vacuum extractor can take off a few of those stains. This is where the damage starts occurring, all right? So I'm gonna have to make sure that's repainted because people are gonna kill me for what happened there. And I went on ahead and drove an hour for this bumper right here, and I tried to put it on, and then that's where I realized, damn, the quarter panel was slightly dented in. As you can see right there, it's very unnoticeable. And I tried to put on the bumper and it wouldn't fit. I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the body shop so he can maybe do touch-ups on the rear bumper, pull the quarter panel, maybe, I'm not sure. Anyways, wish me luck. Leave a like, subscribe. I'm gonna bring y'all along over there to the body shop. So anyways, let's go. All right, I'm about to show you everything I did to this car. All right, so I did went to LKQ pull apart to take out these bumper tabs because the one on the car were all broken, all right, due to the rear end quarter panel damage, of course, that I showed. And boom, took it. I think I got it for free. I just put them in my pocket, not even gonna lie. So I took it to the body shop and got quoted $400. Then after that, I started working on this roof, alright? Because this roof, which is disgusting, I pop up the images on the screen. This guy probably hotboxing in here every single day or something, alright? It was just gross, alright? Let me just show you the results. Alright guys, I am here at the park to take a photo shoot. All the photos will be on the screen. I already got done with the photo shoot here at the park. Let me go ahead and show you what was done. All right, so yes, this part right here, like I said in the beginning of the video, was fully repainted. I'm not gonna get killed no more for missing paint. And the rear bumper was bondoed and painted for $400. He did a great job. I really like how this thing looks really nice. But I also do want to mention, I'm pretty sure I mentioned it in the time lapse, this guy smoked the hell out of this car, man. I don't know what he was doing in here, hotboxing every day, but dang, I tried my best to take out those stains. So anyways, again, I'm gonna post it on Facebook. Let's see how long it takes. The red one that I just sold took about a month and a week. This one should take about the same amount, all right? Anyways, let's go ahead and get to selling. Let's. Alright guys, the car sold for $4,500. Here's the cash. I profited almost $700. The car took a month to sell. This is my last Versa. I don't want to do another Versa due to the fact that they take too long to flip, alright? I don't like working with them. Even regardless, the minimal work I did with this car, literally all I did is just go drive an hour, pick up the bumper, drop it off to the body shop, waited literally 2 days, got it back, and then I started taking some pictures. I cleaned it up, cleaned up a few stains. The guy was a pothead probably, so he smoked the hell or vaped the hell out of this car, all right? So this stains all over the roof. It took a somewhat quite of a work, but not too bad. You know, that's someone's paycheck, and I literally did it by just cleaning a few stains on the roof and just driving 1 hour, all right? So not too bad. I consider that a good deal, but you know, I don't like waiting a month for a flip. So this is the last Versa. They're known for bad transmissions either way. I don't like them. People don't like them. And it's definitely clear to me that even no matter how high the year is or how high the trim model is or how many low miles it is, it just really depends on what car you're choosing for the market. You know, obviously a Civic, a CRV, Honda Fit, Prius are gonna do way better to a Nissan Versa, right? So please leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the share button, do everything to show some love, guys. I have you another video hopefully next week. I'm not gonna make any promises, but I have 2 cars available right now ready to sell, so hopefully I can give you another video next week. I see you guys there.